Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion Schoolie by Tish. My name is Miss Tish. When you enter a classroom, usually you call them Miss. Okay, I'm a mom. I've got 2 daughters. But for this little tiny virtual classroom we've got, please call me Miss Tish. This channel has been created with a vision and a mission to share with the next generation all that I have learned through the years when it comes to fashion, from drawing to designing a line to merchandising. Merchandising comprises of production work. Production work is very important. You can't draw everything. You need to think about how you're going to make it, how you're going to cost it, how you're going to time making it, and many other things that are needed to know about making a garment. And then, of course, how to do everything in a beautiful line. And some of you may want to do the shows. Then I would also be teaching you events management. It's all part of the fashion world. This industry employs millions. It earns a lot of money for a lot of people. It provides employment for millions. Enterprises, many of them with auxiliary or related industries, rely on this fashion industry for a living. And many countries consider the garment industry or crafting industry as part of the gross domestic product, which is called GDP. So knowing all these things, you're going to find now within this realm where you might want to belong. Now, this pandemic has made it difficult for a lot of kids, a lot of those that are aspiring to be able to continue with their dreams of studying in a good school. I may not be able to give you a diploma. I may not be able to give you a certificate. This is for free, like I mentioned. But it's with good intentions. It's for you to one day decide, yes, I would like to go to take formal schooling. Those who are already sewing, yes, I want to be able to relate and I want to go beyond just sewing. Those who are in a related industry might want to transfer to garments itself. Whichever plan you've got for yourself, my goal is simply to welcome you into the industry, to provide you with the basic knowledge that I had to learn step by step through the years in my career, as you may have seen in my introductory video. Now, I will be loading each lesson. It's one lesson every 2 weeks. Why is that? The reason for loading just one lesson for every 2 weeks is so that it gives time to all those who are busy with work, with family, with school, to drop by their YouTube channel, my channel, Fashion Schoolie, and take the lesson for that week, and then have the whole week for them to find the free time to actually draw and do the lessons and do the homework. It's going to be structured. Don't think it's going to be that easy. Then at the end of the day, you can even go back to it. Now, those who want to have bonding time with me, I already registered. I wanted to join Kumu. If you're Filipino, there's this channel called Kumu channel, and it's for a lot of Filipinos. But you can get that in any country, in your country. And then the name of my Kumu channel is also Fashion Schoolie by Tish, and you can chat with me there. Basic chatting thing. I also started a Twitch channel. It's an overload of creativity after I recovered from COVID, as you may have seen in the introductory video. But anyway, for this YouTube channel, it would be nice for you to prepare the following if you're gonna join us. It's very easy, very simple. All you've got to do is prepare white paper. Here, it's white paper. In the Philippines, we call this bond paper. Bond. Yes. Bond paper. That is, they call it bond paper. Okay, but here it's called bond paper. It's just white paper, in short. And then prepare a pencil. Any pencil will do. You can get your this pencil I got. It's thicker, darker to draw because it's a drawing pencil. But I got it because then it will be easier for you to see what I'm going to do on the paper. You can choose the regular pencil, whichever you want. You can choose a worn out pencil that you're using until you decide to save up for a nicer pencil. Regular pencils, but I love them. You can even use a chubby pencil, see? Or you can use a dermatograph. Whichever makes you comfortable. Whichever's available in your country or your place, and whatever you can afford. This is going to be a very practical show. So pencil, paper, and ruler. You need a ruler. In my case, in the Philippines, this is a 6 pesos ruler. 6 peso worth ruler. So you can see what I'm going to draw. Okay, so now when you get your paper, you have an assignment. Thank you for dropping by. You are to draw 9 lines. I think I'm snagging my earphones. 9 lines. 9 lines using your ruler. Around 1 inch per line. We're gonna need all these lines for the drawing session so that we have uniformity. Wherever you are, whoever you are, when you draw the same size as everybody else. Just like in a school, right? Okay, then the first lesson, as you can see, my blackboard at the back. I have a teeny tiny blackboard. It's called drawing lines. Basic drawing lines. We're gonna be like children learning how to draw. And I'm going to load this once every 2 weeks, and basically because I expect that you'd be busy doing something else, I video and edit it myself, record everything myself. The lessons are by me, all the things that I learned. So, what do I expect you to do? Of course, like, press the notification bell, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to Fashion School.